So how do we get around? Well, we can use what we call cognitive maps. So cognitive maps are internal representations of an environment's layout. So when you have a mental map of where things are and where you want to go. So landmarks may be positioned in your map, and when you navigate, we'll find our way by measuring our location in relation to these landmarks. So for example, in my case, I know that I live north of Old Montreal. So I know where Old Montreal relative to my workplace, which is at the Douglas, and I know that I live north of there. So when on my way, if there's a road that's blocked, I'll know, generally speaking, in which direction I need to go to be able to find my way. So we form new maps every time we go to a new place and every time we visit a new place, and we automatically update these maps when we navigate. And so navigating means making new relationships. So where you are, where you've been, and where you're going is also updated as you're going around space, because that's part of the construction process of making a cognitive map. These are just pictures of people walking around with a map, or we can be in a car driving around, or we can even have a mental representation of our home. So here's an example of a top view of somebody's home that was drawn by hand.